Hello friends and dear students, welcome to your own YouTube channel. Music itself is God. Yes, indeed, if you want to get realized God, realize music. On this channel, you will learn music sitting at your home or wherever you are. Here, you can learn different types of songs and various instruments and can see your individual performances, dances, full performances and everything so on.
Hello dear students, in this video we are going to learn how to play very simply rhythm for playing with national anthem and so many other songs. Very easy rhythm, very easy trick, very easy method to play with so many songs. So now be ready for that. This is my left hand, this is right, and 1 1 2 1 1 2. This is main counting. So 1 1 2 1 1 2. Before this I will just give you the just idea. Left and right both parts of tabla have 3 compartments. This is chati. It is also called kinar. Yes, this is kinar, chati, and then this is medan, love. It is called medan and love also. And this is black circle. It is shahi. These 3 parts are same in both left and right. Here it is also chati, medan and shahi. Yes, now it is clear. Chati, medan, shahi. Chati, medan, shahi. Now how to play very simple and very useful rhythm. 1 1 2 1 1 2. Most of students facing difficulty for this sound. How it should become? Just listen very carefully. This left hand should be here. Yes, and from right hand first finger, only first finger you will give stroke on chati, kinar. This sound you record in your mind. Yes, this left hand should be not up and 1 1 2 1 2 you will give the stroke on shahi of the right part of the tabla. ये जो है with 4 fingers. Yes, 1 1 2 1 1 2. In second time once you come here 1 1 2, after this here when you come 1 2, so 1 you will press. ये ऐसे दबाना है इसको 1 1 2. इसको पहले दबा देना है 1 1 2 1 1 2 1. सेकेंड 1 2 आएगा उसका 1 जो है वो थोड़ा प्रेस करना है इधर 1 1 2 1. Now if we go just rather faster, what will happen? These 1 2 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 2. So 1 you will press just दबाना है इसको 1 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2. And it is coming the sound of Congo. This sound is the main sound of this rhythm. It is the sound of Congo. If you have know the instrument Congo, bongo, so this is the most important sound and it is most needed. Otherwise there is no use of this rhythm. Want to sing national anthem with taking this rhythm. So how can we start? How shall we start? Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya Hai. Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya Hai. Bharat Bhagya Vidhata. Yeah, and in between you can do yes, and along with this I am giving you exercise. Your fingers, both hands should be played like this. You will have to learn. For that 1 2 3 4 5 from thumb side you will 1, this is thumb, 1 2 3 4 5 feet from then start from little finger 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Most important are your fingers. Thumb is not so much important, but your 4 fingers are coming used. This is right hand and it is also done with left hand also. Okay, and this is 5 fingers exercise. Then you divide this exercise in 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 1 2 1 2 first and second finger, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Your both hands always should be loosed from your shoulders. From your shoulder to your fingers means your elbow, your wrist, everything, your whole hands should be loosed. Then your fingers will be, you can easily move on tabla. That's all.